afternoon, everybody.
Good afternoon, sir.
I'm Julio Arango, and I have a question for you. Have you ever just driven down the street or the highway and wondered how your car actually stops when you step on the brake pedal? Well, today I'm going to show you a little bit of how that works and what the process is to make that work. Okay, we're going to start off with me showing you a couple basic components of the brake system. They might vary a little bit from vehicle to vehicle, but it's basically all the same. So we're going to start off with the brake booster. Okay, that's this component here. Then it goes to the master cylinder. Show you a small sample of a hose, but you would have either a metal hose or a rubber hose. Typically you will have a rubber hose where there's movement. Then from the hoses it will go to your caliper. From the caliper it will go to your brake pads, and then finally to your rotors. Okay, so now that you've seen a little bit of the components, I'm going to talk to you about actually how it works and what's the process flow of that. Okay, so when you step on the brakes, that pedal is going to have a shaft and go onto your brake booster, okay, which is going to push it. This has it's pressurized. It has a little plunger that's going to go into your master cylinder, okay? Your master cylinder is what's going to be full with your brake fluid, okay? I want to show you the top of the master cylinder. This is where the sealed portion starts, okay? It has a rubber gasket, okay? Once you have that full to the proper level, you seal it with that, okay? And that rubber gasket ensures that it's an airtight fit. Okay, so as you're stepping on the brake pedal, again, that rod is pushing through. With that, it's going to push fluid out through the lines, like I spoke earlier, okay? You will have the lines running through the frame of the car, the metal ones, the rubber ones where there's movement, you know, like where the wheels are going up and down from hitting bumps and stuff like that, and that allows for the flexibility, okay? Once the fluid is pushed through the lines, it's going to reach your brake calipers, okay? The brake calipers on the inside has like a small piston, okay? So step on the brakes, pushing through the booster to the master cylinder, through the lines, to your caliper. Again, that fluid is pushing as you're stepping on the brakes. Inside the brake calipers, you have your brake pads. Okay, those are your friction material, where it's going to create friction onto your rotor. So as that's compressing, typically like that, okay? As that's compressing, it will slow down your vehicle, eventually bringing you to a stop. Okay? So once you have a stop, right, and you still, now keep in mind you maintain the pressure on that pedal, alright? As soon as you step or let go of that pedal, the process starts in reverse, okay? Thus for releasing the friction off the pads, off the rotor, through the caliper, back this way, okay? With that, I hope you understand a little bit of what it takes to make your car stop and how the process actually works. Thank you very much.